Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. DIY number 1. This is a set of wooden pieces of a Christmas village from Dollar Tree, and I'm planning to create a Christmas village. So I'm collecting all these pieces and I'm going to paint appropriately, and I wanted to keep it like a traditional Christmas colors, which is green, red and white, silver and gold. So I'm starting with this green paint from Dollar Tree again, taking a dab of it, and I'm going to paint those tall Christmas trees with this color. And the next piece is this cute candy cane. I'm planning to give candy cane a green ribbon as a bow, and also I'm going to paint red and white in stripes like the traditional candy cane color. Next is the Christmas sign. I'm going to paint X as red and also A as red and M as white and S as green. Next is our cute Santa along with the polar bear. I'm going to paint Santa red, his suit, and his hat is red and white fur, and polar bear is white, we all know that. I'm taking a little bit of a brown paint to give the trunk of the Christmas trees. And I'm using the same brown paint on the board where we all sticking all these pieces together. Now I wanted to add some snow on the trees, just like some of the snow-clad tall trees. So I'm just painting white paint on top of those Christmas trees as well. Now all my pieces are ready to be constructed together. I'm taking this little bit of foam balls and sticking to the hat of Santa Claus, and as well as the candy cane. Time to assemble everything together on the board. So I'm going to insert Christmas tree on the back and all Santa and Christmas sign and some more tree and candy cane all together on the board, just like this. So what do you think? This video is part of Christmas Around the World, and myself and 18 other great creators are joining together to create this collab. I hope you'd enjoy Christmas with each one of us. And the best part is we have 19 gifts under the tree Each one of us will tell a secret word in the video. All you have to do is write the secret word in the comment section, and each creator will give their own gift. So isn't that easy and interesting? So yeah, let's do it. And my gift would be $25 Amazon gift card. This giveaway is for US residents only. The last day to enter the special keyword would be November 1st, 12 a.m. EST. And the drawing will be happening on the November 3rd, and the winner will be announced in our community tabs or Instagram pages or in the comment section of their respective YouTube channels. Isn't it interesting? So all the best, y'all. DIY number 2, and I'm again repurposing my the same board for this project. Also, I have this Christmas cutout from one of the gift bags, and I'm going to use that as a backdrop for this sign, and I'm attaching a piece of a wooden block to that Christmas cutout, and these cute pieces of Christmas decor are from Walmart from last Christmas, and I'm taking joy and trying to attach that in the center of the shadow box, just like this. Now I got this cute tiny Christmas trees from Dollar Tree, and I'm taking 2 of them and attaching them on the either side of that sign. And also I wanted to embellish the top with some more ribbon, so I got this ribbon from my previous project, and I'm also repurposing it on top of the board, just like that. I wanted to give a tiny bow so that the letters will be visible, and also I have this another bow from my another sign, and which has like 2 ornaments, and I'm going to stick it on top of it, just like this. So what do you think? DIY number 3, and this one is this cute gnome. I just wanted to use him in this project as well, and I just wanted to paint him. There comes in like a 3 in a pack. I'm taking one of these, and I'm going to use this green marker, and I want to paint his dress with the green color. I wanted to paint his mitts and socks with yellow, but yellow is not that bright enough. Using the red marker, I striped his hat with the same red marker, and also the ribbon of the gift box with the same red marker. So the mitts weren't showing bright enough, so I took this apple barrel white paint, and I painted in between the red stripes as well as his mitts and his socks, everything, his beard and his cute nose, everything in white paint. Now I wanted to highlight his gift box that he's carrying. I have this sparkly paint, gold color, and I'm painting the gift box without disturbing the red ribbon. This is the final reveal of my Christmas village. I wanted to keep it traditional and also include gnome. Basically, it's a gnome's village. That's the look I wanted to give. Like you saw, everything is from Dollar Tree, and this is one of the cute set of Christmas pieces together. And I painted red, green, and white, the traditional colors, and silver and gold, and I just embellished with some foam balls in the center of the design. And this is one of the cute gnome. I'm in love with him. He's so cute. He's holding a gift which is sparkly, and he has a nice hat which is striped, and green dress. So cute. Let me know your thoughts on this. And the next one is this cute Christmas sign in the center of the village where Joy and Aztec Christmas. And I gave some decoration on the top with ornaments and tiny Christmas trees. And the gnome is standing with a gnome string of lights. And this is his home. And this is his truck with lots of gifts. So yeah, this is a traditional Christmas village that I want to create over here, and I love each and every one of them. So let me know your thoughts on this. Which one is your favorite? You want to give any suggestions towards my channel? I would love it. And like I always say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you would consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.